Hey everybody, it's John. I picked up another one of these ABUS 5540s. These are neat little locks. I recently got into picking locks with security pins, and I had picked one of these a little while ago. It was the first one I bought, and I'm out staying at a hotel for work, and I scooped one of these things up after I got off and took it back to the hotel with a couple of Brinks padlocks. I had my picks with me, but I didn't bring any locks like an idiot. So I picked up a couple things to play with. And I just got in, like I mentioned in my last video, an order from Kicks Picks. Things are awesome. And like I said, I'm just starting to work with pins with security pins. This is a 4-pin lock, I believe, with spools, a couple of spools. I think it's 2 or 3 spools and a standard pin or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm using a medium tension bar, bottom of the keyway, with a Kicks profile on a standard handle. This thing is really neat. Check these out if you haven't seen them. A little click out of 1, click out of 2, 3, 4, back to 1, nothing on 1. I think 1 is set. I'm learning to feel counter rotation. I'm normally pretty heavy on tension, so I gotta really learn to pay attention to it, especially if I want to get into these harder locks. And obviously this isn't a very hard lock, but you know, I gotta start somewhere. And there it goes. That's it, the ABUS 5540 and Kicks Picks. Thank you very much, guys.